Today we're going to be checking and maybe adjusting the valve clearance on a 1986 Honda Rebel 250. To do that, we're going to remove these two caps so we can gain access to the crankshaft and a viewport to see the timing mark. Before we get to that, we're going to have to remove the gas tank to be able to get access to the valve cover. And as we remember, to remove the gas tank, we have to start from the back of the bike, remove 2 bolts on the rear seat, 2 bolts on the main seat to gain access to the 1 bolt that sits here. Follow that up with a bolt on either side. Lastly, the fuel is off, and we will just remove the fuel hose, and then we can remove the tank. Let's get started. Now I'll remove these 2 caps. Feels like that's something maybe I should use a quarter for, with a wrench. Oh, that bends the quarter. Okay, that also bends the quarter. We have the nut, that's the end of the crank. File down the edge of the nickel a little bit, make it fit a little bit better. How do we get that cap off? Kept trying with a nickel and a quarter. Can't seem to get it. I have this impact driver that I might try a little bit on. Ooh. Oh. Hey, way to go, Harbor Freight impact driver. The index mark is just the top of the entryway. Right there. And it does look like that the T mark is IT. So I did see an IT. So that's what we're going to get back around. And then we can check one side of the valves. Here's our index mark right here. This gap. IF, IT. Okay. Now we will check the gap. Let's see if it's this side or the other. The rocker arm should be loose. This one wiggles a little bit. This one also wiggles a little bit. And the far one, it does not. Okay, so I think we're working on this left cylinder first. And the manual wants us to gap to 0.002 inches. Okay, it's a bit loose. It catches a little bit, which is what it should do. So this one also, I think maybe a little too loose. We can check by, I'm going to get one of the next sizes up. Let's go straight to 4/1000ths and see if this fits. So I'm doubling. Oh yeah, that goes right in. So I think we need to tighten up these valves. To do that, we need to loosen the lock nut and back off the screw a little bit, and then tighten the lock nut. That's pretty tight. Okay, I'm adjusting this screw ever so slightly. If I tighten it all the way, I feel like you just caught. Now we rotate the crank 360 degrees counterclockwise to get the timing mark back at the indicator, at the index, and then we know that the other side's ready to be gapped. I'm just going to make sure it cranks over. There should still be enough fuel in the bowl to last a couple of cranks. All right, just wanted to verify that everything sounded great and that I connected everything, at least from terms of the plugs, back up in the right order. If I can fix it, so can you.